I wish to thank the Agricultural Society of Kenya for continually hosting these events across the country. I encourage Kenyans to participate in the show and experience the best of what our country has to offer. We are also implementing several road infrastructure projects in the food-producing areas to make it easier for our farmers to connect to markets, boost economic development, and create employment for all the peoples in this region. These examples underscore the strong government commitment to support all Kenyan farmers in their efforts to increase agricultural productivity and incomes, and we shall continue to intensify our efforts. In our context, agriculture is key to our industrialization strategy, as most of our industries are agro-based. So I therefore continue to invite our young men and women not only to participate in the show and learn about the many opportunities for them,